Hello, thank you for watching today's snapshot video. Today we're just going to have a look at the UK 100 as we trade the FTSE 100. The market rolled over last week. We've seen a bit of a recovery at the beginning of this week, but we want to have a look at the chart to see whether there's any scope, especially before the Bank of England inflation report hearings, to see if the index could fall over some more. We've also broken a key technical trend line in the gold chart. So gold, you could argue, officially not in an uptrend anymore. So we're going to have a look at that as well. So this is our UK 100 chart. As you can see, we're still broadly in an uptrend. In fact, there's a nice trend line that connects the two previous major lows and basically has defined the end of this recent pullback. Now we're kind of in a key zone at the moment because this is where demand took over supply in preceding this rally. There was a big sell-off, maybe more supply was coming in the market, but eventually we were able to break to the top side. We've pulled back to that same zone. It's that trend line and this previous peak here where the demand did take over the supply around the sort of 7,300 mark that's capping the decline at the moment. For this decline to continue, we'd probably need to see prices remain below, ideally 7,400, but almost certainly below the 7,450 mark to have any chance of this decline continuing again. A bounce beyond the 7,450 level, particularly the peak before this last leg of decline, would suggest that probably we're back into range trading mode and may even go back to test up to the record highs again. But because of the culmination of support here, it could mean that if we do get a break below here, the market could make pretty swift work of a move down towards the 7,100 vicinity in this previous low, because there isn't too much in the way of support. And as I said, there is a confluence of support here that would add to the significance of any breakdown. Switching gears here to the gold chart, also a rising trend line of interest, but actually it's the breakdown of the trend line which seems to have happened now. So we weren't able to break the previous peak. Now we're back at the low. So we're officially in range trading mode now in gold. This uptrend line has been broken, so we're not in an uptrend. So now the question is whether this decline can extend and take us into a downtrend. We're at 8-week lows at the moment. Can we extend to the lowest level since mid-March with a further decline, or is this pretty much just going to mean that we're ranging between the 1220 and the 1300 mark? That remains to be seen. The first test will be, if we do get a bounce in the price, to retest the underside of this trend line. So thanks again for watching. Obviously, we were just looking at the FTSE 100 in gold, a couple of trend lines of interest actually, where obviously, just to recap, in the FTSE, we're holding that trend line and a confluence of other support. And in gold, we've broken that trend line. So we're looking to see if we can extend the decline and take us into a new downtrend in gold. Thanks again for watching. And if you do enjoy these videos, certainly feel free to follow LCG on social media.